All right, I really like this guy and his educational videos. Um, this is about cloud token and step-by-step process to get going in that. He talks a little bit about why this is so important. Listen up.
In cryptocurrencies. Now what we're going to do right now, step by step, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your cloud token account so that you can get paid to hodl, and most importantly, you can earn daily passive income simply by using the cryptocurrency that you already have as leverage in the major exchanges. Remember, Cloud Token trade your cryptocurrency for you directly from a smartphone app.
So this is great. So basically, if you got Ethereum, Bitcoin, any of the 7 or 8 major cryptocurrencies, you can put those into the cloud token wallet. And if it's over $500, the artificial intelligence will start trading that for you. And you can do that as little as 24 hours according to him. So I think that's accurate. Let's go on here.
So if you have an iPhone or Android device, you could be making money in as little as 24 hours flat. You simply deposit a proportion of your cryptocurrency inside this wallet, and the trading algorithms, the AI technology will trade your cryptocurrency for.
So that artificial intelligence technology will start that bot working and it will start trading for you. You have to have at least $500 in that wallet to do that. Start that bot working. That's just the way the rules are.
For you on complete autopilot. You'll be paid passively every single day. You can either withdraw these profits, or of course, you can hodl the CTOs, the cloud tokens, so that as they start to appreciate in value, your portfolio actually grows in profits on complete autopilot.
That's a super way to do it. Let's get in here and see how we start this.
So let's take this step by step. This is a really exciting time for you. So glad that you've joined us, and let's go get them.
Step 1, download the app and enter your referral ID. Now remember these steps, they've got to be followed exactly. So you have to have a referral person, and I'll give you my referral number and my website to do that, but you have to have the app and enter the referral ID. You can download the app at I think iPay or the Google app, the Google Play Store. I have an Android, so either one, you'll do the Android or the iPhone.
Hey guys, this is Ron here, and this is the first of a series of steps that we're going to take to download the Cloud Token wallet directly to your smartphone device. So depending on whether you've got an iPhone or Android device, there will be a button somewhere near this video. You can click that button and it will take you over to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And personally, I've got an iPhone and I'm using the Apple App Store. I just search for Cloud Token directly in the store, and as you can see, it's the second, or should I say the first.
So it'll have this logo on it, and this is the CTO Cloud Wallet, and that's the app. Whether it's Android or iPhone, doesn't matter.
Application that you see here, as you see, it says CTO Cloud Wallet. This is the official application that we're going to be downloading directly to our iPhone or Android device. So I'm going to click on the download button.
Of course, they're going to download it, and you're going to get this here. This is the second step. You've got to put that in an ID in. So let's go back here.
We're going to click on open. As you can see, it fires up very quickly. Now, once you fire up the application on your device, you will see a screen exactly like this. Now, what you need to do is, as you can see on the actual screen, it states create an account Right at the bottom in orange font, you want to click on Create Account.
All right, so create account, that circle there, that's what you're doing. And you'll need a referral ID to do that. So that's the second step after you downloaded the app and installed it, and it's ready to go.
It then requests a referral code. Now this referral code belongs to the person who actually invited you here today. So somewhere next to this video, there will be a green box with a referral code referenced in that box. That is the referral code that you need to use to enter in directly into this section in the app. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to enter in my referral code so you can see how simple this is to get started. And then we click on Next. And you'll be taken through a series of steps where you will need to set up a login PIN and password. So follow the remainder of these steps and ensure that you complete your account. Please also ensure that you write these details down. Keep them somewhere safe. You do not want to lose any of these details.
Now, this is so important. This is a wallet. You need these login and PIN information. You need these 12 keywords, and they need to be done exactly, and copied exactly and checked. This is so important. And it needs to be put in a safe place and have a physical log of that.
These details are for your secure access only into your Cloud Token account. So please write them down, keep them safe so that you don't have any interruptions whatsoever to the Cloud Token service.
Okay, complete your setup and registration. Remember, you need to keep a physical record of that, make sure that's accurate, and store that in a safe place.
Right, so in this particular step, we are going to be creating our account with Cloud Token. In the previous step, you would have had to enter in the referral ID of whoever invited you here. If you haven't done so, please go back a step, enter in the referral ID referenced on the page in green. Once you have completed that step, you will then be taken over to this part of the process where you create your account with Cloud Token. That's exactly what we're going to do right now. Now we're going to set up our login PIN. It's a login password that we're going to create first. Very simple to do, and you will create something that is unique for you. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to put in a dummy password just to whiz through this step to show you how simple it is for you to get started in your account. Right, so we're going to go right ahead now, and as you can see at the asterisk below, please use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters and numbers. Include at least one number and one lowercase letter and an uppercase letter. Okay, so very simple. Let's go ahead and do that right now.
Doing that password
Pretty
too.
simple enough.
I believe this is going to be your username and password on your new links that you give to other people.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Next. Now before clicking Next, in fact, it is imperative. It is so important that you write this login information down.
So again, this login information has to be written down and kept if you're going to continue. It's imperative.
If you ever lose access to your account, this information is going to be required so that you can restore access again. So please ensure that you write this information down carefully and you store this safely. Right, so let's go into the next step. We click on Next. We now have to set up a payment PIN. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing now. And along each step in this process, I'm writing this information down. Now we're just going to create a very simple payment pin simply for the purposes of this video. And of course, you are going to create your own payment pin. It is 6 digits long. We're going to click on create. Right, so this is the backup mnemonic phrase section. This is where you are required to write down each of these words in the order that they're displayed to you.
Now again, all this needs to be carefully recorded and checked and have a physical record of this. Now they're going to get into the 12 mnemonic phrases. These need to be accurately checked and put in order and checked against so you know exactly what they are. And this has to be written with your other security information. This is your security part of this.
Now it's imperative that you write this information down, because if you again ever lose access to your account, this will restore access for you, and it is an added layer of protection. Now, the words that you will see on screen are going to be very different to the words that I see on screen. So please ensure that you write down the words one by one in the order that they are provided. You may require this information again at a later date, so write this information down. Do not ignore this, please.
And it needs to be in the right information, the right spelling, in the right order, and the right numbering with that order. It's imperative that this stuff is done accurately as you record this and will use this record for future date.
This is for your security, and this is to ensure that only you can access your account at any given time. So I'm writing these words down right now because it's imperative that I am the only one who has access to my cryptocurrency, and I'm the only one who has access to the cloud tokens that I am accumulating on a daily basis. Right, so we do that, and we click on next, and what we simply do is we repeat the words by clicking on the links below to display them in the exact same order that was provided to us in the previous step.
Now this is so important. You need to record the first step in order, and you need to know that order, and then here you'll repeat that order and make sure that that is the same. And this is a check for you to know what order they're in, so you can accurately do this and number that order and use this for future security.
So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that now.
Now he's clicking them off in the order he received them, and that will confirm to the system that you know and have numbered that order.
That's how simple it is. So you basically want to repeat the mnemonic phrases back in the same order that you saw them, in the same order that was displayed to you in the previous step, and you click on done. As you can see, it mentions on screen, please save the following details in a secure place. Now you could screenshot this, of course, but then again, I would advise that you actually write this information down as you are proceeding through the step to create.
Now notice you're also going to get a login ID here and number and PIN. So all that stuff has to be kept, and there has to be an accurate record of that.
Your account. And what we're going to do, you can, as you can see, there is an I icon right here, and the information relating to my account is on screen. I could take a screenshot of this, or I could...
Now he changed that icon so you could see that. It's important that you know and have record of that. So click on that icon and make sure you have those details recorded accurately.
write this information down, or do both. It is for your added protection if you ever need to restore access to your account again. So that is it for this step. So please proceed to the next step. Right guys, in this particular step, I'm going to show you how simple it is for you to fund your account in Cloud Token. So this is where we're going to be moving our cryptocurrency directly inside the Cloud Token wallet, right? Inside the Super Wallet. Once the cryptocurrency funds are available inside the Super Wallet, we are then in a position where we transfer the funds over to the Jarvis AI bot in the next part of the step. First and foremost, let's get this account funded so that we can start generating this passive ROI on a daily basis. So just for the purposes of this video, we're going to be funding the account with Ethereum. You can choose Bitcoin, you can choose Litecoin, you can choose Bitcoin Cash. In fact, you can even use that cool atomic swap feature where if you're sitting on any altcoins, you can transfer a number of altcoins into the Cloud Token wallet so that that cryptocurrency can then be traded for you and you can start generating this passive income every day.
Now I didn't know that, but they have a feature there with this system, this wallet, that you can use old funds from different tokens and transfer them into this wallet. That's a great service because it's not being used. You're not getting a return on that and not trading it. And if you have, I think you're going to do better with the artificial intelligence and trading robot.
We're going to go on ahead and fund the account in Ethereum right now. I'll show you how simple it is. Now we're going to fund the account from my personal wallet, which is another cryptocurrency wallet. It's actually blockchain. So you may be using blockchain or Coinbase or another crypto wallet. It's completely up to you. And this is what we're going to be using to fund the Cloud Token wallet account with. So we're going to click on Ethereum. We're going to click on receive. We're going to click on receive. This is the address that we're going to be sending our crypto deposit into. Now we're going to click on copy. As you can see, it says copy to clipboard. We're now going to go over to my blockchain account and we're going to initiate the transfer directly from my blockchain over into this Ethereum wallet.
So this is going to allow them to use this numbering system to transfer that. This sets up that number so you can use that to transfer it over to this super wallet.
Right, so we are now inside my blockchain account. We're going to head on over to my Ethereum wallet inside blockchain, and we are actually going to send funds. We're going to send $595 over to Cloud Token wallet.
Now, again, notice he did over the $500 amount. He did $595, just short of $600.
Now, we recommend a minimum of $500 to deposit with, but it is completely up to you whatever you decide to start with. You can start with 50 bucks or 100 bucks. It is up to you entirely. However, we recommend $500 because this will really allow you to generate a healthy amount of profit on a daily basis. And of course, it ensures that you can earn from the referral structure if you decide to share with others. And remember, this is all crypto trading, so this is all volume based. It relies on volume. So the more that you can deposit, the more money that you will earn every single day from the trading activities taking place. Right, let's go ahead and click on send. And we're sending from my Ethereum wallet and we're sending over to the Cloud Token wallet address that we just copied.
So he's in his account and he's using the number. He's going to send that to that wallet with those numbers.
Let's paste that in. We're going to use the total available balance, which we saw was $595. Click on continue. Right, all in all, it looks like I've got $601 that I'm going to be sending across. Very simple. We click on send. Success. Your payment has been sent. Your balance and transactions will update soon. So cool. So the funds now have been sent directly from my blockchain account over to my Cloud Token wallet account. And once that balance is reflecting in Cloud Token, we're then going to take that available balance and trade it in the Jarvis AI bot, which is doing.
So basically, you've transferred this from his wallet to their wallet, this Cloud Token wallet. You have to make sure it's in there and it's received. And then you're going to transfer that to Cloud Token trading bot, which is the Jarvis system.
All the crypto trading for us. So we'll shoot that part of the video and I'll show you how simple it is to do.
Now this is the other step. You got to go back to, this is transferring the crypto to the Jarvis AI, the artificial intelligence trading bot. This is what it's called.
Right guys, Ron here, and we have now transferred the Ethereum over from our blockchain account, my personal wallet, over to the Cloud Token wallet, where we're going to get ready to start trading this cryptocurrency for us so that we can start generating this passive income on a daily basis that we can withdraw every day if we wish to. Now, as you can see, the Ethereum balance is now updated. This literally took minutes. And you can see 3.34 Ethereum, $601. And what we're going to do now, we're going to go on over to the Jarvis AI bot, and we're going to trade this crypto. Very, very simple to do. Just watch these steps very closely and just mimic the steps that you can do exactly the same. Right, so we're going to click on projects. And we're going to click on Jarvis AI.
Now notice you had to click on projects. They have several projects going on all the time. This is a utility token and wallet. So they have several projects going on, but this Jarvis AI was one of the projects created earlier. It's been tested. They know it works. And now you're going to use that Jarvis AI to collect those tokens and trade them.
And as you can see, these are the different cryptos, of course, and you can add in, what we're going to do is we're going to add in Ethereum. This is just one of the accounts that we hold in Cloud Token right now. Very simple. What we do next, we click on Ethereum inside the Jarvis AI. And what we're going to do is we're going to grant permission over to the Jarvis AI to trade the amount that we've just transferred in. As you can see, the amount is available there. So this is the amount that we just transferred in from blockchain. We're going to click on max and we're going to click on proceed. And as you'll see, the Ethereum balance will go up in the account. Right, so the request has been submitted and the block confirmation time is 15 to 30 minutes. So you can expect these funds to reflect very shortly. And the really cool part about this is the funds that you've just transferred in are going to be trading on complete autopilot for you. There is nothing whatsoever that you need to do now, and you can expect to receive passive income from this cryptocurrency in the next 24 to 48 hours, and then every single day thereafter.
We're going to end it here. This is about 25 minutes long, but he shows you the step-by-step process. This is essential for your education to do accurately. If you have cryptocurrency sitting in other wallets, for Pete's sake, transfer them over to this one, set it up, transfer it over, put it into the Jarvis AI, and get it trading. You have to have over $500 again, That's essential. But once you get going and do this, it will automatically trade for you. You don't need charts. You don't need all the training on charts and stop blocks and everything else. It will automatically trade for you. This is what the wealthy people of the world do. They just transfer their stuff over. They let their money managers use their artificial intelligence trading bots. They make money for them, and the manager gets paid. They get paid, and it's a win-win deal. In this case, you don't need a money manager to do this or money manager account to do this. You can do this on your own. That's the beauty of this, and get real return on your investment on a daily basis. We suggest you do at least a 600 to get started with this. You can do less, of course. I am doing less. I'm going to put $100 into this every month. Just put part of my money into it and let it build. It'll soon be to $500 or $600, and then it'll grow from there. The beauty about this is and what is not shown here, but I'll show in another video, is that if you can influence and get other people to do this, you're going to match what they put into their system. And this is really going to accelerate your income and your ability to get return on your investment. Again, it's Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Watch this carefully. Let's talk in person. Let's show you how to get this done. Let's get it done accurately and right. And let's make some money together today. Thank you for watching. Good day.